say can and will be used against you.
Obscure scene, take 2.
Action!
What's up, YouTubers, foodies? You know who it is. It's your boy, the Urban Chef. It's the holiday season. What better time to do something with your kids or any time with your kids? But the Christmas time is so much fun. You like my tie? Ho, 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 ho. Look at that. We got the Queen Bee. She rocking the little elf thing, looking cool. Got the red apron. Of course, I got the mask on, and I got the hat. Hello, boys and girls. Got the little Mickey hat. What's up? What's up? Okay, today we're doing a classic, fun, easy with campfires, boys, scouts, girls, scouts, after school, whatever. Urban Chef and the Queen Bee. We just making a simple some s'mores. Endless. The things you can do with s'mores are endless. You can do the chocolate chips, ding dong, Skittles, ho-hos, whatever you want. Today we just got the.
Try bacon.
You can even put some bacon. Bacon will be good too. But anyway, we just got the marshmallows. I got the peanut butter. You don't see the label. Of course, this is some great value. One of my favorite. Ding, ding, ding.
That's all you talk about is great value.
That's it. Great value. The sponsorship. Anyway, let's hit these hands real quick. There we go. Get a little sanitizer on them. Yep. Just a little bit there. A little bit. Yep.
Ah,
Okay.
something else too much.
But anyway, what we got here.
Look like this.
Hey, while we waiting, hit me with one of them good food jokes you got.
The jam joke.
Okay, well what about, whatever you got. What's the jam joke?
What do you call a vampire that eats a lot of jam?
What do you call a vampire that eats a lot of jam?
A vampire.
A jampire! A jampire! Okay. Hit me with one more. Hit me with one, you told me there was one about some cake. Hit me with one about some cake or something.
Why does the sister eat her homework?
Why would a sister eat her homework? I don't know. Why would she?
What did you say?
It was a piece of cake.
She said it was a piece of cake. Oh, that's a good one. The Queen Bee be hitting them. Like I say, it's the Urban Chef. Hit me up. chriskaigler@gmail.com. Please like and share this kind of stuff. Send me your food, jokes, riddles, anytime. That's what it's all about. A happy cook. He likes happy food. Anyway, check this out. Why don't you drizzle that? Take this, just drizzle some of that. Oh yeah, all over. Oh yeah, that looks good. Oh yeah, put some on all of those. Put some on all. A little bit more. Put a little bit more. Put on the other ones. Yep. Oh yeah, drizzle it on this one here. You missing a spot. Oh yeah, that looks good. There, put a little bit there. Yep. I got the bottoms to these in the oven. We're gonna, oh yeah. I got the bottom of those. Let's try a little bit of peanut butter. While I go grab these, why don't you, let's put a little bit of peanut butter on this one.
Peanut butter.
Oh yeah, let's try it. That one will be traditional. We'll put a little peanut butter. What? Peanut butter and chocolate? You don't think that's a good mix?
I had that for cereal.
Okay, that's like a Reese cup with peanut butter and chocolate. Oh my God. It's yummy. Feeling good. Urban Chef getting ready for the holiday, for Santa. Got Snoop Dogg up in here. What up, Snoop? Okay. Anyway, I'll be right back. Let me run to the oven and grab these caramelized marshmallows. I'll be right back.
3, 2.
What's up? YouTubers, foodies, friends, and family. I'm back. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at them. So we gotta top those. Right? Let's put a little quickie. Oh yeah. Let's put a little more caramel. And this ain't no homemade. Why? You don't have to make it at home. Everything don't have to be made at home. People are like, you make this at home. I can. I don't need to stand the camera. Right now. You just finish these off. Put these guys on top of that. Let's make that sandwich. Let's go. Make that s'more. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. Woo! This is amazing. Check it out. This is Eat Healthy, Live Longer. This is the best one of a holiday, quick holiday banger. Hanging out with your kids. Got my son behind the camera, that's Spike Lee Jr. Take a bite. Let's see what we got. Grab one of those. Let's see what we got here. Very good. It's hot. It's hot like fire. It's hot like fire. But fire, good, good. Let's put that peanut butter on there. Anyway, don't forget to like and share. As always, Urban Chef talking about he needs a glass of milk. Pretty good, huh? I need a glass of milk. You got the holiday s'mores with, you know, the marshmallows. You got the peanut butter, the caramel, and the chocolate. Yeah. All right. Till next time I see you, got the Queen Bee. Hit us up. I'm the Urban Chef.